it's Jacqueline from SolFood Collective, bringing you all things vegan and how to live a healthy, holistic lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious little salad. Everything that's in it is designed to lower inflammation and boost the immune system. However, I will say that I pretty much just grabbed whatever was in my refrigerator and I'm going to toss it in a bowl. It's how I usually do it. So I have greens here from Kentucky Canyon Farms. They're found at the Hollywood Farmers Market and other markets here in Los Angeles. I got the spicy blend. It's really, really yummy. Spinach is really great to lower inflammation, boost the immune system. It's great for the bones. And then the kale in here is great for heart health, is full of iron, also boosts the immune system. All of the lettuce in here really does have a ton of vitamins and minerals to help rid the body of toxins, full of antioxidants. Let's get started. Let's cut our celery. Just gonna cut these tops off. I will save this top for my veggie stock. Celery is great for digestion, great for boosting the immune system, great for brain function, good for the bones, good to rid the body of kidney and gallstones. Celery is just amazing. I recommend doing celery juice or eating celery almost daily if you can. Tomatoes do a really good job in repairing the damage that was caused from smoking to the lungs. So if you look, it kind of looks like a set of lungs. These guys are great. These tomatoes are a little bit big for cherry tomatoes, so I am going to slice them in quarters like this. Plop them in there. Tomatoes are also really great to fight heart disease, for the hair in your skin, great for digestion, and also really good for vision. Okay? And then we are going to cut the avocado. Avocado is an excellent healthy fat to add to your diet. I try to eat an avocado a day. To me, an avocado a day keeps the doctor away. See how easy that was to take that pit out? You want to do that. And then you want to be gentle with these guys. One thing I like to do to make it so it's not so chunky, pardon me with my avocado all over my hand. This one's a little soft, which is why it's like that. I like to take it and have it like that. Just be very careful with your knife when you're doing this. And then I cut it in my chunks. Cut it as big or as small as you would like. So I take the half, I cut it like that in half again. So I have two, and then chop. Let's add our red onion. I chopped up just a tiny little bit of red onion that I will add to the salad. I love red onion. Red onion is great to help fight cancer. Garlic. Garlic is great for cold and flu season. I'm just gonna put some raw garlic in there. I also love garlic. Garlic actually is great for the stomach and digestion as well. My all-time favorite, follow your heart, vegan Parmesan. Just gonna sprinkle some of that in there. Okay, let's bring this here. Look at how delicious that salad looks. Here is my pickled cabbage that I make. I do it in a brine. This is red cabbage. Red cabbage boosts the immune system. It's great for weight loss. It helps treat ulcers, helps fight arthritis, and prevent cancer, among many other things. I'm gonna get that in there with that juice. So healthy for you, cabbage. And then I'm going to add my lemons. Lemons are great for digestion. Lemons help alkaline the body. Okay. A little bit of cracked pepper. Some pink Himalayan sea salt. Give it a good toss. Some of our chosen foods, avocado oil to it. I would say that's probably close to 2 tablespoons. And mix it up between the pickled cabbage, the juice from the pickled cabbage, and the lemon and olive oil. This is going to be a great flavored dressing. If you don't have pickled cabbage, don't worry. You can also, if you have kimchi at the house, which is excellent, I recommend having on hand, you can add kimchi. You can add apple cider vinegar if you want. Just give it a little splash. Okay, let's try this. I'm so excited. Oh, I love just eating big bowls of salad. It's so good, and it's so good for you. Okay, let's try this. Divine. Little farmer's market treat. I love it. Just use what you have in the refrigerator, throw it in the bowl, put some olive oil on it with some lemon, throw some garlic in there, salt and pepper. You have yourself a delicious, nutritious, naturally vegan salad. I highly recommend the Follow Your Heart Parmesan. This stuff is the best. It smells and tastes just like parm. That's it for me, guys. Please be sure to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.